Capgrossos de Mataró have started the second round here at Tots Sants in Vilafranca del Penedès, one of the traditional human tower exhibitions. In the first round they completed a 4x9 with a folra, and here they are building a 3x9 with a folra, and the folra is the support structure there on the second level. The first level you cannot even see, since the piña disappears among all the people here in the audience. We have the dosos in place, so 2 more levels to go. The ashekador has taken position, and here comes the anchaneta behind the trees. We have the aleta there, so we have a 3x9 crowned by Capgrossos de Mataró. We can see how the people on the third level are working really hard right now to keep this together. The fourth level is shaking, but I hope they will manage. They should manage on pure willpower, yeah, and they will, and they will, and they will. What a great day for Capgrossos in Mataro here in Vilafranca del Penedès. In Catalonia's most typical square for human towers, la plaza més castellera. Tots Sants, Catalonia, 2011.